So many of you have asked if I could make a bowl cozy out of this dish mat. Well, of course I can. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So first thing, I use these erasable gel pens for marking my fabric. It's awesome. We're going to get this Dollar Tree dish mat and we're going to mark out 10 inches. We need a 10-inch square. That's what we're doing. And we're going to just mark it out with our pen. Now listen, I'm going to tell you right now, this is the project that I messed it up, but it's okay. We fixed it after. But anyways, I cut out my 10-inch square. I almost said circle. I cut it out with pinking shears because I am not going to finish the edges. But this is why I use those erasable pens. Look at, disappears with heat. What? You could iron it too, but this is what I had. So anyways, we're going to take our 10-inch square and I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to, at that half mark, we're going to do 2 inches up. So see where we have that fold? Go 2 inches up from that edge. Ta-da! Then from the folded part, you're going to go in 1 inch and mark there. Ta-da! Perfect. Okay. Now you're going to connect the lines. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, or bumblebee squeezy, whatever. Anyways, boy, I'm spun up. It's fine. So see how I'm just connecting those two lines, or the two dots that the marks that we made? There's that. Perfect. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Okay. 2 inches from that edge, mark it. Then we're going to go 2 inches from the fold, 1 inch from the fold, and we're going to mark that. And then you're going to connect the two. Ta-da. Now I want to make sure everybody's clear, and I'm going to say it a couple times. This is not microwavable. You cannot put this in the microwave. Okay? Okay, don't put it in the microwave. But it'll be great for if you have hot soup or whatever. I'm just putting my little clips on just so that it doesn't shift, and we're going to sew on each of those lines. Boop, boop. Easy peasy. Here it is, done. Then I'm going to take my pinking shears and I'm going to cut the excess of those corners off. Then we're going to open it up and we're going to do the same thing. So you'll see, we're going to open it up and we're going to fold it in half the other way. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 2 inches and then 1 inch from the fold. Does that make sense? And then you're going to sew it just like you did the other way. Now, this is where I realize, see, I'm doing this and I'm like, boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm so good. I'm so happy. Here we are. This is going to be great. And again, we're cutting off the excess and we turn it inside and this is where I realized I went wrong. I did it inside out. But it would work with black. That's fine. Look at how adorable this is for a little bowl. So yes, I redid it, but this was so easy. So easy. This would make a great present. I did redo it so that the pattern is on the outside, not on the inside, but it fits a cute little bowl. Again, not microwavable. You can't put it in the microwave. But again, if you have a hot soup or if you have ice cream and you don't want to get cold, this is perfect. I love it. And that bee pattern, whew, it slays me. No, I didn't do the edges over. I didn't. And I did that on purpose. All right, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you. All right, now it's your turn. Go make something pretty. Someone asked me to do that. You're welcome.